In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create a manual WIP from a job record. Start from a job and go to the Reports tab. Then click on the WIP Calculator button. Once the WIP is open, go to the WIP options. Make sure the calculator type is set to manual. This will automatically set the calculation options to manual calculation. A manual WIP means you want to enter the percentage complete based on your own knowledge and experience of the job. You can choose what level to enter the percentage at. A single percentage for the entire job, or individual percentages at milestone, task list, or item level. In this demonstration, we will use milestone. Each item has a status, which is open or closed. Items with no tasks remaining or no pending quantities are automatically closed. Under the Closed Items option, you can elect if these items are marked as 100%, which may increase your overall milestone percentage, or if the items will be calculated. For a manual calculation, this means they inherit the same value entered against the milestone. In this demonstration, we will set this rule to calculate. The accounting method is used for calculating the bills and income values. If you choose cash accounting, it will include all supplier bills and invoices paid by the end date. If you choose accrual accounting, it will include all supplier bills and invoices issued by the end date. We are going to choose accrual accounting using an end date of the 31st of August 2025. As we are doing a manual calculation, we don't need to update the calculation options. Click on Save WIP Settings. Then close the Options panel to enter the manual percentage complete. The total WIP percent at the top is related to the job. This value is disabled as the option selected was milestone. This means the task list percentage and the item percentage are also disabled, but the milestone percentage is editable. Enter the milestone percentage and all the items under that milestone are automatically calculated. And the job milestone is also updated. Changing the item status to closed has no impact on the percentage complete because we choose to calculate under the WIP options. Let's jump back into the WIP options and change this setting on closed items to mark as 100%. Don't forget to save your settings before closing the options and returning to the WIP. As you can see, the closed items are now automatically marked as 100%. The remaining items inherit the percentage entered under the milestone value. If you edit the milestone value, the items marked 100% will not change. From here, items can still be marked as 100% complete by changing the status to closed. Update the percentages on the remaining milestones if required. The overall percentage at the top is automatically updated. Once you are happy with your percentages, go back to the WIP options panel. Check your overall WIP and the accounting values below. Please note if you are using our exclusive accounting integration, these values are automatically updated. Job value. This is the total value of the job including the original contract, variations, plus the due and charge. Budgeted costs. This value is the total estimated costs in the contract items. This includes variations and due and charge. Bills, related to your supplier bills linked to your purchase orders. The value calculated here is based on the accounting type selected with the end date, which is either looking at the supplier bill date for accrual accounting or the date of individual payments made against the bills for cash accounting. Labor relates to timesheets costs and end date. Watch the Calculating Timesheets video to learn how this value is accurately calculated. Total costs. This is the bills and labor combined. Calculated costs is percentage complete applied to the budgeted cost. The cost adjustment. Deduct the total costs from your calculated costs to get your accounting cost adjustment. Next, income. This is the total value of profit and loss invoices. Please note this does not include pro forma invoices, as these are treated as credits on final invoices, and it does not include transaction invoices, as they are used on consolidated invoices. This ensures income is not double counted. The profit and loss invoices, included in the total income, are based on the accounting type selected with the end date, which is either looking at the invoice date for accrual accounting or the date of individual payments made against the invoices for cash accounting. Calculated income. This is percentage complete applied to the job value. Income adjustment. Deduct the total income from the calculated income to get your accounting income adjustment. To integrate your adjustment to your accounting system, watch the Managing Journal Entries video. If you want to change the calculations, click on the Refresh Items button to reset the values to the last published WIP. Otherwise, click on Publish WIP to save this report. Next, watch the video on Calculated WIP Options to discover how to automate the percentage complete, and Managing Journal Entries to discover how to integrate your adjustments to your accounting system.